Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change location inside the Monkey app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up the Monkey app. Then from here we're going to scroll down and click onto our profile, bottom right hand corner of the page. And I'm inside my profile. So from here you can see my location. Now to change that, we're going to go ahead and click on edit. And then we can change location by clicking here. Depends what region you are in. So I'm in Australia, so I can't change region, but apparently if you're in different countries, you can change it. But if you're like me and you need to change it, what we need to do is go ahead and download a VPN. So go to your Player App Store, do a search for a free VPN, like so. Download and install any free VPNs, or you might have one already on your phone. Then before you do it, what you need to do is click and hold down the Monkey app, go to I, and then go to storage. And then you want to go ahead and clear cache and clear data. And then open up that VPN, set it to whatever region or country, and then reopen your Monkey app, log in, and then you should be at that, it should say that region or location. So for example, if you've chosen America, it's going to say you're in America and what town, say New York City or whatever that VPN says.